Sophia. Here's my additional played videos for you. It's 3 hours and 32 minutes. From another account, Ma'am Sophia. It's different account this time. Thank you so much, Ma'am Sophia, for your support. That's all, Ma'am Sophia. Thank you so much. Again, your watch time, Ma'am Sophia. 3 hours and 32 minutes. Okay. Bro Ray, ayan, na-play kita. Ito yung iyong time watch. 11 hours and 12 minutes, ha. Ayan, tapos na ako sa'yo, bro. Maraming salamat sa pag-support mo sa aking live stream kay G-Shop and kay GMB. Ayan. Dana, bro. Salamat. Ito ulit ang iyong watch time. 11 hours and 12 minutes.